Hi students, today we are continuing lesson 1. Okay, this is where we stopped in the last class. Fill in the blanks. Minus 44 this side, minus 88 this side. This number you need to find. Okay, this number must be equal to this plus 44. Okay, that means minus 44. Okay, we will add minus 44 at the proper place. Okay, minus 44, right? Let's reduce its size. Fine. Okay, this one is 30. 30 minus 75 is minus 45. Okay, this one is minus 50 minus 30. Minus 30 minus 50 is minus 80. Say true or false. This is false. Okay, this is false. Yeah, false. This one, yeah, true. True. This one, minus 45 plus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 45. This is false. Number is same, but the sign is different. Here the sign is negative, here the sign becomes positive. Find the value of the following using number line. This you do using number line. Okay, this one 64 plus 35 9 9 99. Okay, this one minus 200 minus 100 minus 300. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? Initially he had 10 pencils. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil, 3 to Karthik. So total he lost 5. So 5 only with him at that time. The next day father gave 6 more. So total became 11. From that he gave 8 to his sister. 11 minus 8 is 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay. A lift on the ground floor. A lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then move up to 10 floors from there, then which floor will the lift be? Fifth floor. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree lower. What was her temperature? 100 degree Fahrenheit. What number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? Minus 2. Minus 2. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 3. Is he correct? He is incorrect. Okay, why? Because that should be 35, not 30. Minus 35. Objective type questions. 18 plus 18 minus 5. How much? 13. So we need to put a tick mark here. This is 0. Absolutely 0. Okay. Now here comes multiplication of integers. Situation 1. Ramani and Ravi are playing with pebbles in a heap. Ramani is adding some pebbles to the heap while Ravi removes some pebbles. First Ramani adds 3 pebbles, then she adds 3 more pebbles. She repeats this 2 more times. Can you say how many pebbles she added in all? 12, right? The total number of pebbles added is 12. Ravi takes out 5 pebbles in 3 times, that is minus 15. Okay, if we represent taking out as negative integer, then minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 minus 15, or simply we can put minus 5 into 3. Okay, Ravi has removed 15 pebbles from the heap. This illustrates what that multiplication of negative integers is also repeated addition, just like positive integers are whole numbers. We can draw a number line and visualize the above multiplication of integers as repeated addition. 4 into 3 is 12, right? 3, 3, 3, 3. This is 4 into 3, right? Minus 5 into 3, here minus 5, again minus 5, again minus 5. This is minus 15. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. We have no difficulty to understand that the positive number like plus 7 is multiplied by another positive number like plus 8. The result is positive. 7 8 is 56. Also a positive integer like multiplied by a negative integer, that is also minus 34. But what about a negative integer multiplied with another negative integer? To understand this, let us observe the following pattern. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, minus 5 into 0, 0, minus 5 into minus 1, into minus 1 is plus 5, minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10, minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. Note that how in each step the number increases by 5, right? When it reduces, when this quantity reduces, that quantity increases by 5. Okay, so negative of negative integer is positive integer. That is how we need to understand it. Okay, so the product of two negative integers is always positive. Find the product of the following. This is 900. Okay, let us write it 900. Let's increase the size also. Okay, this is 8 9 72. Okay, 80 minus 9 also 72. This is 1200. Positive only because there are two negatives here. This one 1000, yeah, 1000. But what about sign? Negative. Complete the following table by multiplying the integers in the corresponding row and column headers like this. 9, okay, 6, 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, like that. Like that you have to proceed. This anyway, there is no difficulty. I think you can easily do this. Which of the following is incorrect? Oh, this is less than 0. This is correct only. Okay, this is also less than 0. What about this? This is incorrect. Okay, and what about here? This is also incorrect. So 3 and 4 are incorrect. Okay, can you express the product 15 into 16 as sum of or sum or difference of integers? Yes, here are 4 ways to compute 15 into 16. 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 6. 10 into 10 100, 10 into 6 60, 5 into 10 50, 5 into 6 30. Add them up, you will get 240. Okay, from the above pattern one can determine the product of two positive integers, two negative integers, one positive integer with one negative integer. Okay, okay, sum of product of two positive integers, two negative integers. Okay, find the value of this. 350 plus 11, right? How much? No, this is 10 times 35, 350, and plus 35. 350 plus 35, 385. That is the answer. Okay, 385. We wrote 11 as 10 plus 1. So 350 plus 35. This one 960 into 2. 1920. Okay, what about sign? Negative sign. Minus 1920. Okay, what about this? This 12 5 is 60. Okay, 10 plus 2, 50 plus 10, 60. Sign is negative. 15 5 is 75. 75. 5 5 is 25. 5 10 is 50. Add them up, you will get 75. This is 0. You need not to struggle a lot. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Okay. Right. A fruit seller sold 5 kgs of mangoes at a profit of 15 per kg and 3 kgs of apples at a loss of 30 per kg. Find whether it is profit or loss. 5 15 is 75. 3 3 is 90. That is loss only 15 rupees. Borrowing rates in internet center is 15 per hour. Neela works on the internet for 2 hours in a day for 5 days in week. Total 10 hours. How much does she pay? 150. Properties of multiplication of integers. Recall the multiplication of whole numbers had the closure property. If you test this property for integers, we find minus 7 into minus 12 is plus 14, and minus 5 minus 6 into 5 is minus 30. 4 into minus 9 is minus 9 is minus 36. Thus product of any two integers is always an integer. That is closure property holds for integers, right? Therefore for any two integers a comma b, a into b is always an integer. Okay, consider the example. This is same, right? This is also same. So when you interchange the integers, so the result is being same. So multiplication holds this property. What is this property called? Commutative. Okay. Therefore any two integers a into b equal to b into a. Okay. To verify that multiplication of integers is also associative, let us check whether this holds or not. Yeah, this holds good. Okay. Hence associative property is true for multiplication of integers. Therefore for any three integers a comma b comma c, a into b into c equal to a into b into c. Just as 0 added to integer leaves it unchanged, integer 1 multiplied with any integer leaves the integer unaltered. So that is called multiplicative identity. So 1 is called multiplicative identity. Therefore for any integer a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. Find the product and check for equality. There they are equal. These are also equal. These are also equal. Prove the following. Not, yeah, they are same. Okay, consider an example. Minus 7 into minus 6, minus 5 into minus 4. So this is positive number only. 30, 4 is 120, 127 is 840. Okay, from the above example, we see that the product of 4 negative integers is again positive. What will happen if multiply odd number of negative integers? Result is going to be negative. Okay, 7 3 is 21, 21 2 is 42, so minus 42. From the above example, we see that the product of three negative integers is negative. In general, if the negative integers are multiplied even number of times, the product is positive number, whereas the negative numbers are multiplied odd number of times, the product is a negative number. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. We have already studied that multiplication distributes over addition on whole numbers. Let us check this property for integers. The same holds good for integers also. Okay, no problem. From the above we can observe that this is being same as this, minus 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into, plus minus 2 into 5. Hence the distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for integers. Therefore for any three integers a comma b comma c, a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, this is how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6. Okay, minus 24 plus 30. This is also plus 6. And this one minus 6, 18. This is minus 6. These are not equal. Okay, prove the following. These you can do, I guess. Okay, not very difficult. Prove that minus 7 into plus 8 is integer and mention the property. Minus 56, what is the property? Closure property. They are equal. What is the property? Commutative property. Okay, prove that this into equal to this. Okay, first you have to proceed with left hand side like this. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, into minus 4 is 24. Now right hand side, you proceed with right hand side. This is 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 2 24. So both are equal, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. Yeah, they are equal. 8 and only you will get on both occasions. Here also they are equal. Okay. So consider first left hand side. This is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now proceed with the right hand. This one. This is minus 12 and this is 18. Minus 12 plus 18, 6. So this is distributive property over addition. Okay, sorry, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Fill in the blanks. Minus 80 into 1 is minus 80. Okay, so minus 80 into minus 10 into minus 2 is 20, and this is minus 5, this is minus 5, this is 0, 0. Okay, this is false, this is true, this is also false. What will be the sign of the product of the following? 16 times of a negative number, positive. 29 times of negative number, negative, because this one is even, this one is odd. Find the product. 35 22 is 35 is 20 is 700. Okay, 35 is 2 is 70, right? So this is 770. Sign is negative. Okay, and this is 129, 1080 positive, 1080. Two negatives are there, so result is positive. This is result is positive. Okay, and you can compute this one, no problem, right? This is 0 and this one 100. Okay, both hundreds, 100 100 into 100, right? This is the answer. Result is positive. Two negative signs are there. Check the following for equality, and if they are equal, mention the property. No, both are not equal. 8 minus 13 is 7. No, 6. No, 5. 5 minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. This is quite larger in negative, that too. This is also negative number. Minus 6 minus 8 into minus 4. Minus 6 minus 8 into minus 4. Again, both are not equal. Okay. 3 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus. These two are equal. This is distributive property. During summer, the level of water in the pond decreases by 2 inches every week due to evaporation. What is the change in the level of the water over the period of 6 weeks? It decreases by 2 inches every week due to evaporation. What is the change in the level of the water over a period of 6 weeks? 12 inches. Okay. It decreases by 12 inches. Find all possible pairs of integers that give a product of minus 50. That you can do. Okay. Which of the following expressions is equal to minus 30? Yeah, this is equal to minus 30, right? 60, no, no. This is also equal to minus 30. Which property is illustrated by the equation 5 into 2 plus 5 into distributive, right? Minus 11, right? D that minus 11, right? Okay. 108. Division of integers. We have already seen that each multiplication statement has two division statements in whole number. Can we try the same integers also? Let us play with the number converter machine and see how division works. Product of positive integer and positive integer. Division statement: 72 by 9 is 8, 72 by 8 is 9. Positive integer divided by positive integer, positive. Product of positive integer and negative integer is negative. So minus 70 by 7 is minus 10. Negative integer divided by positive integer is negative. Product of negative integer and negative integer, 45. 45 by minus 9 is minus 5. 45 by minus 5 is minus. Negative integer divided by negative integer is positive. But this is somewhere division statement. Okay. From the above table, infer that division of two integers with the same sign is a positive integer. Division of two integers with the opposite sign gives negative integer, right? So this is minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 1. 2. 200 by 10. Minus 2. Right. This is minus 8. Divide 8 minus 85 by 5. Minus 17. Minus 2 by 25. Minus 25 plus 10. 120 by minus 6. Minus 20. 182 by 2. 91. Minus 91. So in a competitive exam, 4 marks are given for every correct answer. Minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Kalai Vishi attended this exam and answered all the questions and scored 20 marks only even though she got 10 correct answers. How many questions did she answer incorrectly? So totally she has to get 40, but 20 marks were reduced, right? Okay, 20 marks reduced means she incorrected. She how many questions did she answer incorrectly? That is the question. Okay, 40 questions. No, not 40. 10 questions. Right, 10 questions only. 10 is the answer. Okay. Shopkeeper earns profit of 5 rupees by selling one notebook and incurs loss of 2 rupees per pen while selling of his old stock. In a particular day, he earns neither profit nor loss. If he sold 20 notebooks, how many pens did he sell? 20 notebooks means 100 rupees profit uh, must have he got. Okay, how many pens did he sold for that 100? 50 pens he sold, so he got loss of 100. So he didn't get either profit or loss. Students may divide into two groups. Do this activity. Okay, properties of division. Can you find the value when minus 5 is divided by 3? The value is not an integer. Clearly, the collection of integers is not closed under division. Okay, can you find the value when minus 5 is divided by 3? Okay, let us postpone this topic to next part. Okay, because it is quite lengthy now. Okay, we'll stop it here now. Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam.